Let's celebrate America's semi-quincentennial birthday with some low-impact step aerobics for total beginners. Start with marching. Swing the arms. Wide stance. Bring it in. Tap the bench. Just with the toes. Wide stance. Tap the toes. Wide. Shoulder. Now heels on the bench, heel and back. Doing great. Now same leg, heel. Now switch the leg. Now we're going to step up. Right leg lead. Down and down. That's going to be our basic step. Make sure you put the full foot on the step. And we're taking it slow. Slow and easy. But if this is too slow, go faster. Good, now switch the leg. Good, now a little faster. Now we're going to tap the corners, starting with this one. So put one foot, tap it. One foot, tap. Good, now basic step, come up. Very nice. Now that's 2 moves. Good, now knees in the middle, step and knee. And if you're getting started, don't worry about the arms. Just focus on the legs, make sure you're nice and steady. Good, basic step. And if you feel you're out of breath, just march in place. Catch your breath and keep going. Tap the corners here. Tap. Good, knees in the middle. Basic step. Now we're gonna add something called the V step. So it's a wide step, wide and narrow. Let's do that a few times. Get ready and practice it. Here's 8, 7, 6. Good. Now basic step, come up. Good, now tap the corners. Start with this corner. Knees in the middle, step and knee. Good, now V step. Good, now march. Take a breath here. Good job. Good, now right foot comes up, basic. Good, now tap the corners. And last one, knees in the middle, step and knee. Good, now V step. Good, march in place. Take a breath here. You're doing great. Basic step. Good, basic step. Good, now we're gonna add 3 knees on each side. Good, we're gonna start with this. 1, 2, 3. Walk to the other side. 1, 2. Good, now step up with your right. Good, now tap the corners. Knees in the middle. V step. Out, out, in, in. 2 more. triple knees. 1, 2, 3. Good, now step up with your left. Good, now tap the corners. Good, knees in the middle, step knee. Good, now V-step. Out and in. 2 more. 3 knees. Good, march on the ground. Breath here. Good, now we're gonna add a ham curl, so step up, ham curl. Or you can just bring your knee up, step and curl. As always, we're gonna practice it, get really comfortable with it before we add it to our combination. Good, 2 more, here's 2. And 1. Good, now basic. Good, now tap the corner. Knees in the middle. V-step. Three knees, 2, 3, other side. Ham curls in the middle. Very nice. Basic right. Good, now tap the corner. Knees in the middle, step and knee. V-step. Three knees. Hand curl in the middle. Good, walk it out. Good, now step up with your left. Good, now tap your corner, tap. Good, knees in the middle. V-step. Three knees. 1, 2, 3. Good, ham curls. Good, basic up. And if you mess up, just laugh at yourself and keep going. Good, we're gonna tap the corners, tap it. Now a V step. Good, now knees, 3 of them. Other side. Same thing. Good, now ham curls in the middle. Good, now march it out. Step up with your right. Good, now tap the corners. Knees in the middle. V step. Three knees. Ham curls. Last one. March it out. Good. Now tap the bench. Tap. It's fine if you take your time. It's fine if you're slow. It's fine if you're getting older. There's nothing wrong with that. Good, now march it out. Breathe here. Slow down the march. Slow down your breath. Good, now step touch. Bring the feet together and away. Good, let's add the arms. And if you got something wrong, that's okay. Just try again tomorrow. Tomorrow's always another day. And it's not about perfection, my friends. It's about moving so that we can live longer. Good, arms towards the back. Good, now wide stance, wide march. Hands are flat and we're going to twist. Last one. Shake it out. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss the next workouts. And I'll see you over here on the next one.